guys, how's it going? Austin Reed here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Alright, in this video we're going to go over programming versus VAs. What's better for your business, you know, what can really help you scale. So let's just go ahead and jump right in and get started. So this morning I was working on a posting program that copies Home Depot. And I was thinking to myself, you know, that programming really helps people out. And, you know, I'm honestly pushing VAs all the time, but I don't really talk about programs either. I mean, I talk about like DSM tool and listing programs, but that's not the same thing. You know, they're two different things entirely. So basically, in this video, I wanted to talk about the benefits of programming versus the benefits of VAs, right? So a little bit of backstory. I actually made an auto-ordering, auto-tracking program. I made, you know, posting programs. I've tried to make arbitrage programs, and I kind of know what works and what doesn't. As far as it goes, you can completely automate tracking numbers and ordering programs using making a program. And it's actually really easy. All you have to do is choose a language, either Python or PHP. You could also use Ruby on Rails. A lot of people are doing that, or Java. But I recommend either Python or PHP because they're easier to use. I think Python's the easiest to start with. Anyway, so and it's really easy. I had no Python knowledge at all, and you know, I made the auto ordering and tracking program in less than 2 months. And then right after that, I made a posting program, and that took me like less than a week because I already knew the stuff from the order program, which was way more complicated than just posting items. So, you know, as far as that goes, like, it's really simple. Like, don't think programming's hard, because it's not. All you need is Python, and you can use Selenium or URL-lib or Beautiful Soup. If you don't know what those are, look those up. Pretty self-explanatory once you look those up. But anyways, having a program do things gives you zero overhead. So if you get auto ordering, auto tracking done, all that stuff, got zero overhead, which is cool. And then you can auto post, which not all the items are going to sell necessarily, but I mean, you're posting items for free and you don't spend time on it. You just sit there and drink coffee. You know, and that's really cool. So what I've been trying to do lately with some of my new accounts is I'm trying to post bulk and then optimize the items that sell. And that seems to be working really, really well. It definitely does. As far as that goes, it's great. Now, I've tried arbitrage programs. I've tried to make some arbitrage programs, and I've come to the conclusion that that's not a thing and it's not gonna work. Posting and copying whole categories and doing the bulk mindset will definitely work, but trying to, you know, arbitrage only top selling products and post those, it's not going to happen, because programs will only find those top selling products after they've been through the trend or while the trend is happening, which is a little too late. A little too late. You need to post those items earlier, and the program won't detect it in time. So there's the problem with, as far as like arbitrage programs. But as far as it goes, programs are really, really powerful tools. You could run a very successful eBay store just with programs, and like almost no time spent, no VA, no overhead. You're gonna have to do customer service. That's the thing. You can't have a program do customer service, but you can have a program do everything else. As far as VAs go, VAs are really great. You can have VAs do your orders and stuff. It's pretty cheap to have a VA jump in there and do that. VAs will actually make more mistakes than programs will, believe it or not. A lot of people think that, oh my god, an order program is going to fuck up. Well, actually, if you make it right, no, it's not. And they have fail-safes. If you make fail-safes for your program, then you're going to be fine. VAs will actually make more mistakes than programs will. As far as posting goes, sometimes you have VAs that just find good items and they post them and they work. And that is great. If you have a VA like that, just, you know, hire that person, keep them on, whatever. But sometimes you'll have VAs that, you know, at first they're good, and then after like 4 weeks, you know, they're just like not doing that hot. Or sometimes you'll even find yourself when you're posting like that, you just have trouble finding the right items, or you're not like doing super hot as far as that goes. In which case, it might be actually better for you just to post a bunch of items with the program instead. You know what I mean? And have zero overhead for that. Instead of trying to pay employees $400 a month per person, like, it might be easier for you just to have a program, you know, spend that time, get a program done, and then run that. You know, of course you're going to need a bigger store, but, you know, it works in terms of time. Because I'm thinking time versus return on investment. So investment being time, so return on time, right? So how can you spend the least amount of time working on eBay and get the most results? And I think that programs are where it's at, and second, it would be VAs, quite honestly. But, you know, maybe I'm wrong. Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. If you guys want to see some more videos on how to make money online, I'm going to be doing a programming series soon. Alright, I got a couple more eBay videos to do, and then I'm going to jump into some Python programming and show you guys how to make an order tracking program, how to make posting programs, things like that. That way, because there is no videos out there on how to program dropshipping programs. So I'm going to make those for you. So if you want to see those, click that subscribe button. You guys have a wonderful day.